Hello guys, welcome back to the my HTML tutorial. This is session 9. In the previous session we learned about HTML list and subsection of list is ordered list. In this session we are going to learn about unordered list. Unordered lists are also called bulleted list. HTML unordered list or the bulleted list displays element in the bulleted form. We can use unordered list where we do not need to display item in any particular order. The HTML UL tag is used to display unordered list. Type of unordered list. Similarly, ordered list, an ordered list has some type. Disk. The disk. This is the default style of unordered list. In this style, the list items are marked with bullet circle. In this style, the list items are marked with circle, square. In this style, the list items are marked with square. In this style, in the non ordered list style, the list items are not marked. Sometimes we don't need to show the user or the display in the screen in not marked. If I wanna not marked but just to show the list item, then we will use none value for the unordered list. Attribute. Similarly, unordered list we have in ordered list we have some attributes in unordered list too. Type. The type attribute specifies which type of unordered list should be displayed to the user. This is optional attribute. If not specified type attribute, the list will be by default will display disk type with bullet. That's it about the presentation. Let's move to the coding section so that we can see in action. I created another HTML document with file name unorderedlist.html. I added few lines of code to just make it simple, and let's first run this code into the live server, so no need to refresh page again and again to get the updated output. As you may see here, this is some basic template I created for you. So let's move to the coding editor so that we will write some code to display the unordered list. As per the presentation, UL tag is used to display unordered list. It also take LI tag so that it will display the item. Okay, and now I am going to add name of few fruits. First I am adding apple, then banana, coconut, mango, one more watermelon. I added 5 list of apple. Okay, let I made changes and save this file. Let's have a look at the browser. Yeah, as you may see here, by default it's showing disk type of unordered list because we not specified any type. If we will specify the type, then this disk type will be changed. So that I am going to apply type attribute. Type attribute. Square. As you may see here, whenever I changed its type by explicitly applying the type attribute, the display for this list of fruits is changed. If I'm changing a square with circle, I made changes and save the document, and let's have a look at the browser. Yeah, as you may see here, this is the circle. If I wanna to not show the any kind of list, then I'm applying none. As you may see here, I have all the list of item, but it is not showing any kind of list of not a disk, not a circle, not the square. We can explicitly apply the type of the list based on the requirement. This is something about the unordered list. You may use it based on your requirement or the specifications. That's it about the unordered list. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you not subscribed yet. Please share this video with your friends so that other can get the benefit of it. Thank you for watching.